So you want to learn how to turn on, turn off and force restart your iPhone. It's easy, and this is how to do it. Let's begin with turning on the iPhone. Hold down the lock button on the top or the left side of the phone for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then release. The phone is starting up. So if you want to turn the iPhone off, hold down the same button for 2 or 3 seconds, then slide your finger as told on the screen. If the phone, for example, has frozen and you can't turn it off the regular way, you can do a force restart. If you have an iPhone 6s or earlier, as I do, hold down both the lock button, here or here, and the home button for about 10 seconds. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you instead hold down the lock button on the side and the volume down button. If you use an iPhone 8, 8 Plus or iPhone 10, also known as X, first quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold the lock button for about 10 seconds. Because I have an iPhone 5s, I hold down the lock button and the home button. Remember, force restart is not very good for the device, so only use it when you actually need it. I hope this was helpful. My name is Simon and this is Simon Says Apple. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.